seen them clips you gave to me, my nigga. Nah, that's how his little clips be started and shit. You know what I'm saying? Well, see, I seen that shit you gave to me, my nigga.
Yeah, the truth. I seen the videos you made of me, nigga. Fuck you, dog. That nigga made some videos about me, dog. That's some cold-ass shit, man. That's some cold-ass shit. Hey, you going ahead with gasoline draws?
We stack them granted we can. Hey, I don't want no relationship with a broke bitch. Call it what you want to. Shout it what you gon' do. I don't want no relationship with your broke ass. Call it what you want to. What you see is what you get. That's why we never been to the movies or in the park in the dark holding hands. That's why I like fucking with you hoochie groupie. Y'all don't really want no man. That's why we never been to the beach. Water splashing on our feet while we tanning in the sand. She bring it back to me every day of the week while we stack them granted we can.
Same position.
We was past that. No. Mo3, let me tell you this. Mo3 never had one song. Mo3 was the #1 selling album artist in the state of Texas. He sold more albums than anybody. He sold more albums out of Big T than any artist that ever came out of their section. So why would he go backwards?
So the Black Audi, Rain, do you own a Black Audi? Did you ever
No, I don't own no damn Black Audi. Don't y'all think the feds would have took my Black Audi if I owned a Black Audi? No.
So that was not your Black Audi on the highway, and you were not on the highway.
You don't know who had that shit.
No, that's goofy. That's something that y'all don't heard from most of the bloggers. I thought y'all don't look at the channel. For some people though who don't like each other, why would they look at their channels and get their contents?
Hold on, I don't. Number one, you've never heard me get on my platform and say Rainwater was driving a Black Audi ever. Number one, I've never took that narrative, and I've never said Rainwater had Mo3 killed, ever.
So where does Black Audi come from then?
That's what he was asking in the comments. That's why I brought
that shit. Hey, I'm gonna tell you that shit.
So Jake, you must be a Most Hated Blogger subscriber.
Nah, I subscribe to AK. I don't fuck with Most Hated. I be on this shit, but I don't fuck with that shit like that.
Where did you get that from?
That shit came from AK.
Who was AK?
King AK.
Yeah,
that's some weird nigga, bro.
Oh, so y'all not.
That nigga from Chicago.
Yeah, so y'all not even tuned in, and y'all not even loyal to y'all subscribers, the people that y'all subscribe to. So y'all just bouncing around listening to some messy shit.
That nigga don't even cover Mo3.
That's what I'm saying. So what are you talking about, Jet?
But at the same time, you gotta watch all sides though. Motherfuckers be running plays. That's what it shit really be like.
That nigga, hold on. If you did your research, you would know King AK was on another platform asking who the hell Mo3 really was and what he was about. He don't even know who the hell Mo3 is.
So Ratchet. So Jet done said two things that don't make no damn sense.
Basically.
Man, pack it up, big guy. Pack it up. Pack it up.
Man. Jay, I thought you had some shit, Jay. You got some info from King AK, man. I can't even take you serious right now.
Hey, one more, and I'm gone. One more, we're gonna go to the party on Skull Channel. No offense, though, but I'm gonna go to Skull Channel.
Go ahead, Minnie.
We know who caught it is.
Yeah, rap like I did the first time. I backed into somebody in a car. No, it's one of those. You do it on purpose? No. The police ain't gonna do crap. They can't even give you a ticket. I backed into Christmas decorations. We're gonna tear the car up.
So what it is, she was waiting on the card. The other one came up, said she wanted the card. And then they started fighting over the card. The old lady was waiting on the card. So this one got out of her car and said, well, I want that card. So she jumped in the car. So she won't get out the car. No, I just walked up, seen them all sitting there doing that. I said, man. Oh, he just left? Yeah. You know I'm gonna have this on Facebook tonight. They find over car. This is. Oh yeah. She was waiting on the cart, and the lady jumped in the cart. She right.
Don't be calling me names.
I'll call you what I want to call you.
Play hell, get off of here.
Well, glad is that shit. Not Smith. Not
You fucking mess
Knock
with me.
me.
You want to get nasty?
try.
I'll hurt you.
Try again. Let her try. You got a little fat ass out.
Yeah, you got a skinny bitch. Run the fuck out of the way. Get the fuck out of the way. You son of a bitch.